Math 1 Final Benchmark number 26. Consider the trapezoid, where one base of the trapezoid is 2x minus 1 units, while the other base is 2x plus 1 units, as shown here in the image. All right, if the expression 1/2 times 6 times 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 units represents the area of the trapezoid, which statement is true? All right, so let's think about area of a trapezoid. All right, so it's 1/2 times your height times base 1 plus base 2. And they already said we've got base 1 and base 2 is given. All right. If we look at the statements here, the first one says 6 is a factor of the expression that represents the averages of the bases. Well, the two bases are given and the average of those would not be 6, so that's not the correct answer. 6 is a factor of the expression that represents the height of the trapezoid. Well, if we look, if this is base 1 and base 2, and that's given here, and the other thing that we need is the height, that could be the 6, so that would be the correct answer. All right, let's look at the others just in case. 6 is the variable of the expression that represents the average of the bases, so no. 6 is the variable of the expression that represents the height of the trapezoid. So it's not a variable, so in this case, the variable there is making it, so it's a factor, not a variable. So the answer here would be B. So answer to number 26 is B.